Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off dynamic lock screen wallpaper or automatic lock screen wallpaper. Let me lock this phone, then unlock. See, it's changing the lock screen wallpaper. It's dynamically changing the lock screen wallpaper. I will show you how we can turn off this. Let me unlock. Then tap and hold on this home screen. Tap and hold, then go to wallpaper and style. Go to change wallpapers, tap here, go down, tap on wallpaper services. So here you can see wallpaper services. So right now I have enabled dynamic lock screen. That's the reason lock screen wallpaper is automatically changing. Here we need to select none. That way we can turn off. Let me turn off this dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Tap on apply. Done. Let me test. Let me lock the phone. Unlock. See, now lock screen wallpaper is not changing. So this way we can turn off. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.